Here we are in Encanto, Palmcroft, in downtown Phoenix, Arizona, and we'll be working on this beautiful historical home. Today, restoring the wood floors since they are really old and blackened from so many years of finish that was used on them. So we'll be sanding it and refinishing it to its natural color. And there it is, black stained, nasty, greasy, dirty, very beautiful underneath. So as you can see, many layers. Look at that beautiful downtown. Amazing. This is what it looks like. Very nasty. Years of wax build up on it. It's okay. It's okay. We'll get it done. Yeah, look at this. You can see this is coming out too. And here's some more black stained wood floor, which will all come out nice and clean, right? Right? Beautiful. Years and years of build-up, nasty, yucky. But that trusted Hummel will do amazing work on it. We'll stay tuned for another video after. Call us today, 602-446-2613, royalwoodflooring.com.